This is a temperature and humidity Wi-Fi recorder. Open the box. Temperature and humidity probe. Charger snap fastener. And temperature recorder. Insert the temperature and humidity probe onto it. Tighten the screws. Use this snap. One stuck on the wall. Stick the temperature recorder on the wall. Untie the probe wire, measuring the temperature and humidity of the environment. Hang the probe in the appropriate position. This is the charger. Open the charger. Plug in the USB port. Then it can display the temperature and humidity.